Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 VW T-Roc Design. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 113 brake horsepower and returning up to 49 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 11 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 38,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour combination, you've got the metallic deep black paintwork there with the pure white roof, which I think looks really smart together. And the paintwork looks in good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the theme continues. So you have the nice clean interior. The fabric, as you can see on the seats there, is in really good condition. This particular colour theme is called the Ravana Blue, which runs through the car. It certainly brightens up the interior. A few other features I can mention. The car has Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth to your phone. And then behind the steering wheel, you've got your automatic wipers, automatic headlights there on the right hand side, as well as cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel and climate control in the centre. And finally, on the driver's door card, you then have your folding mirror and full window controls. With the T-Roc, you have a nice raised driving position compared to a hatchback, so good visibility. The rear bench there has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents there in the centre as well. Opening the tailgate on the T-Roc reveals a good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the rear seats that can be split and the upholstery shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase that if you wish. And below that, this particular car has a space saver wheel, which I believe was a factory option at the time, so not all T-Rocs came with that. Externally, the design comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.